Acha, fine. Excellent. Now, um, which date is your interview?
March 1st, sir.
March 1st. You are from
Yes, Bangalore.
Bangalore. Bangalore girl is called after so many days. Very good.
6 days, sir. I took 6 days of time to
Prepare. Yeah, excellent.
I mean, even now I am not fully prepared.
No, the idea is you want to go through the questions they are asking so that you can prepare according to that.
Yes, sir. I can prepare even more better.
Yeah. Now, why do you want? What is your degree?
I have done my BCom, sir.
Okay. Did you do MCom also?
No, sir. With BCom I did my MBA in Finance.
MBA Finance.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. Can you please tell me in simple terms what are the golden rules of bookkeeping?
In accounts, we have 3 types of accounts, sir.
Hmm.
Real account, nominal account, and personal account.
Hmm.
For personal account, we use golden rule called debit the receiver and credit the giver.
Hmm.
For nominal account, we use the golden rule debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains.
Hmm.
Another account. For real account, debit what comes in, debit the receiver and credit the giver.
Debit the receiver
and credit the giver.
Okay. Now tell me, there is one concept known as trial balance.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Trial balance is T-shaped account. I mean, it's a statement.
Hello?
Tell
me.
Each ledger's balance is put into trial balance. And all debits are put one side and all credits are put on the other side.
Super, good.
Both should tally. That is trial balance. No, it should not tally. Balance sheet should tally.
This should not tally.
This also should tally. I am confused, sir.
Yeah. Expenses will come under credit or debit?
Credit, sir.
Correct? Wrong. Expenses तो डेबिट बैलेंस है ना क्योंकि ऐसा इजी क्वेश्चन को रॉन्ग आंसर देते हैं
I get confused, sir.
Very good. Buildings and land एक किधर में आएगा?
As it is an asset, sir.
Where it will come? Trial balance.
Balance sheet, debit balance, sir.
Trial balance.
Debit balance, sir.
Very good. Sundry receivable. वो किधर आएगा? Where it will come?
Accounts receivable.
Accounts receivable.
Debit, sir.
Debit. Sundry creditors.
Credit, sir. Credit balance.
Very good. Excellent. Now we have passed that one. We have come to balance sheet.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is balance sheet? What are the components of balance sheet? In what way balance sheet can be put into use as a banker in assessing the credibility of the borrower? Full question.
Yes, sir.
20 marks question.
Okay, sir. Balance sheet is a statement. It is prepared after profit and loss account. It shows the company's financial position or net worth, business net worth. It includes assets and liabilities. It is used to make decisions. It is prepared on a particular date. It is usually prepared annually.
Annually, nahi, quarterly.
Quarterly.
It depends on the type of firm. For example, banks prefer quarterly.
Okay.
But normal businesses, they may prepare half yearly.
Okay.
Yeah.
I did not know this.
And you can prepare every day also. Now that everything has been computerized, Every day also we can prepare bank balance sheet just by pressing the button. Yeah. Then tell me
Okay.
something more about balance sheet.
Assets includes current assets, fixed assets,
Hmm.
and owner's equity.
Assets include equity.
Oh, I get confused again.
Hmm. So your name can be made as nothing. let me not let me not make fun of you. No, sorry. Come with the answer. Asset side में क्या आएगा और liability side में क्या आएगा?
Asset side में current assets, fixed assets, and investments. What all the banks.
Very good, very good. Then.
And on liability side, owner's equity will come first.
Very good.
And current liabilities. And
current liability. What is another liability?
Long-term liability.
Correct. What are long-term liabilities? Tell me one or two.
Long-term liabilities are bonds, dividends payable.
Dividends payable will not come there. No.
Okay.
Dividends payable has to be paid. Why should it be kept under long-term liability? No. Reserves.
Reserves. Okay.
Reserves will come under this thing. Then also borrowings made from close friends and relatives, which need not be paid immediately. Current liability or those liabilities.
Which are paid within 1 year.
Within 1 year. They have to be paid within a period of 1 year.
1 year. Yes, sir.
Good. Have you heard of the concept funds flow?
Funds flow.
Funds flow statement, cash flow statement.
Cash flow statement.
Cash flow statements are prepared in which type of industries?
In manufacturing industries.
True. Under manufacturing industries, which type of industry where the business will be normal all through the year, or in seasonal industries? Normally, cash flow is prepared in the case of seasonal industries like cotton, crackers, educational institutions, and all these places where during some time the cash inflow will be more, and during many times the cash inflow may not be much.
Okay.
So the bank has to identify the period when the company requires assistance of the bank.
Okay.
Very good. Now, can you tell me something about limited companies?
Limited company. I have not heard about it.
Not heard about it? Commerce student, M.Com.
No, sir, MBA.
MBA.
But still, I should know about it.
MBA people cannot not knowing limited company. Which college did you study?
Jain College.
Supposed to be good one or useless one?
No, sir, very good one.
Which year did you come study it?
2017, sir. I completed MBA.
That is the reason. 4 साल हो गया ना, इसलिए आपने भूल गया. 4 साल में क्या काम करते थे आप?
I was just preparing for bank examination.
Oh. Or you also tell I was taking some tuition for children, something like that.
I was doing, sir. I was going to a school for teaching.
You were teaching?
Yes, sir.
You tell that also.
Okay, sir.
Then they can ask you which subject were you teaching?
That is EVS, sir.
The CBS.
EVS for environmental science for third standard students.
Acha, very good. Environmental science.
Yes, sir.
What are the reasons on account of which pollution takes place?
Usage of this vehicles.
Tell me, what are the main types of pollution?
Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution.
Good. Soil pollution.
Soil pollution. Major of the pollution is caused by plastics.
Major pollution is caused by?
Plastic, that land pollution.
That is also another one, correct. That is
land pollution and soil pollution is mainly because of
non-degradable this thing. Yeah, good.
non-degradable.
Very good. Air pollution is caused by?
Usage of vehicles.
Vehicles. Then, is it use of vehicles only causes air pollution?
No, sir. Industries which emit.
Very good. And also air conditioners that we are using.
Oh, okay.
Even that creates. Okay. Well, what are the reasons for water pollution?
Water pollution. Not disposing the
See, from the industries, when they are letting out the effluents, they have to clean them or clean and then release it. Instead, if it is released without being cleaned, the water will be getting polluted.
Instead of cleaning that, they'll put it in
water river itself. That's what many of the industries in Tirupur, then Erode and other places, they do it. And our river is taking care of all that. I was asking you limited companies. What are they?
I don't remember, sir.
Limited companies, we have two main types. One is private limited company. Another is public limited company.
That is only limited company. Okay, sir.
What is that? You know that?
Public limited company is owned by government. Owned or run by government.
No. That is public sector.
Okay.
So you don't know. Please, you have to know that. See, private limited companies are, say, minimum 2 people, maximum 200 people.
Okay.
And say these are owned by friends and relatives. And the shares are not quoted in the market. They are not quoted in the stock exchange. If their share capital is exchanged among the friends and relatives. Whereas a public limited company is one like Reliance, Bajaj, Hindustan Unilever, Godrej, Glaxo, where the shareholders are, it can be any number.
Okay, sir.
And the shares are sold to them, and the company is run by the directors.
Okay, sir.
In both these two, in the case of these two companies, whenever a company is started, they will approach the lawyers and prepare a memorandum and articles of association.
Sir, memorandum of association.
Yeah, in that they will tell what is the name of the company, what is the address of the company, what are the objectives of the company, all these things they will tell.
Yes, sir.
And what are the activities they want to do, they will tell clearly. They get it registered with Register of Joint Stock Companies.
Yes, sir.
At the moment a company is registered, the birth of a company comes, certificate of incorporation is issued.
Okay, sir.
In the case of public limited companies, they also need a certificate of commencement of business.
Okay, sir.
And say when a company wants to open an account with the bank, they have to pass a resolution in the board of directors meeting authorizing or requesting for opening of a bank account with so and so bank, and also permitting XYZ directors to operate the bank account. And after all that, they approach the bank, fill up the forms, and then the banker will be verifying the KYC requirements of all the directors.
Okay, sir.
Not only that, the company has got an identification number. The directors have an identification number, which I am told can be sourced from the Government of India website, so that we can know about the directors' credibility and all that.
Yes, sir.
After all that, the account is opened, and then current account is opened. But when they want to give facilities, they will ask for balance sheet, then projections and all that. Based on that, it will be decided.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
I made a note of it.
yeah, very good. What is your daddy?
My dad works as a manager in Canara Bank.
What is this? Canara Bank manager's daughter not telling limited company.
I
Huh?
learned, sir. I
Huh?
just forgot.
You forgot. Very good. What are your plus points?
My plus points include I am very calm.
Hmm.
I mean,
Too much calm is not required in banking.
I can handle
What you can handle?
stress management,
Yeah. Risk management.
risk management.
That is a very big term. What are the risks banks are facing?
No, sir. I said stress management, not risk
Stress,
management.
stress management. What are the reasons on account of which stress is created?
In my life or generally banks.
I don't know. You tell me.
If we overthink, stress is naturally there.
No. For you, what are the reasons? What are the things that cause you stress?
Sir, I handle a kid of 1 year, 10 months.
Oh, sorry. You're married.
Yes, sir, married and I have a kid of
Then you should have
1 year.
You should have told me earlier. I would have asked simple questions.
No, sir. No confusion. I should learn, no, sir. I should clear this interview.
Anyhow, nice, good. Thank you so much. Now, what I wanted to ask you is only one thing, one question that has come. Have you heard of the concept limited liability partnership?
Yes, sir.
What? But you have forgotten.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir. Can I try?
Try.
All partners will have limited liabilities.
Ah.
Limited liability partnership.
That is, I mean, we should not tell so abruptly. We should try to elaborate some more expansion karna hai. That is, partners invest their share capital in the company. In the routine course, as per Partnership Act, partners' liability is unlimited. That means for the liability of the firm, the personal assets of the partners are also liable. But in the case of limited liability partnership, the partner can restrict its liability by restricting it to its capital only or whatever extent. Yeah. Please expand NPA.
NPA, non-performing asset.
What is that? Where it is coming?
It comes under banks, sir.
Why it is coming into bank?
If bank gives loans to its customers and customers do not pay its interest or principal amount or both, it is considered as.
How many days the interest is not paid?
90 days, sir.
Good.
It is 90 days.
Good. Do you know what are the classification of assets? 4 classification of assets.
Yes, sir. Standard assets do not come with any type of losses.
Standard assets are regular assets where repayments are being paid properly.
Properly on time. Substandard assets are
properly बोलने से हो जाएगा. On time why?
Okay, properly.
Properly, on time, correctly, in time, and also. How many you will tell me? Tell me. Come on.
I will start again, sir.
Good. Yeah, start again. Good. I'm happy. You are smiling, and so you will get job. If you
thank you, sir.
Take an instance with smile, you will get it. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I'll start, sir.
Yeah.
Standard assets are those assets which are paid by customers on time. Substandard assets are assets which are not paid by customers within 1 year. If it is not paid within 1 year, that is called substandard assets.
More than 90 days, but less than 1 year.
More than 90, less than 1 year. And if the customers do not pay principal amount or interest amount, even after 1 year, it is called as doubtful assets.
Up to 3 years.
Up to 3 years. That time limit I did not know. And the loss asset,
beyond 3 years.
Beyond 3 years, if it is irrecoverable.
That means
that is called
if there is no security, it will be classified so.
Yes, sir.
Good. Sahana. Good.
Yes, sir.
Last time also I sang, na?
No, sir. Last time I did not talk properly only.
Yo, best wishes. You are done. Not bad. Not very good. Not very good.
Yes, sir.
I can give you easily 8 marks out of 10.
Thank you very much, sir. Last time I scored 5 to 6.
Really? I don't know.
Yes,
I don't
sir.
remember. I am not remembering it, but it's okay. Fine.
6 days ago, I gave a first mock interview.
Oh, I gave you 6, 5, 6.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I would have told honestly. I don't give
sir.
up because
you told what all to prepare.
Yeah.
To prepare.
Yeah. So best wishes. Kindly talk to daddy also. Daddy is staying in the same city or separate city?
Yes, sir. Near only. We are staying near only.
Don't leave him. As soon as he returns from office, daddy, please sit down. Come and talk to me. Tell me about.
Even my mother works in Canara Bank, sir.
Then what? But she may not know much. Go and tell.
She was, sir.
No, listen. Go and tell like this to your mummy. She will feel angry. How we can say like this?
Then she'll teach me properly.
Just joking.
I know better than your father.
Yeah. So then get to know more about banking from her.
Okay.
You can play. You can play the video and show them this is how you fared.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, I am not unhappy, but not so very happy.
I'll again reshape to the mock interview.
Take your interview. You got time, na?
Yes, sir. I'm preparing.
Only 1st March, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is why you are a little sluggish. Correct?
Yes, sir. I'll again reschedule the mock interview
Very
next
good.
week.
Very good. What is the name of your son?
Shiv Smaran.
Shiv Kumaran. Good.
Shiv Smaran.
Shiv Smaran. Yes, Smaran.
Yes, sir.
Nice name. That is.
Thank you.
That is a telling about Shiva and Smaranam. Always thinking about Shiva.
All the time. Yes, sir.
Excellent. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll again reschedule, sir.
Very good. No. Somewhere when you are not able to answer properly, I get worked up. I don't know why, but I get tensed. Let us see. Best wishes.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Yeah. Ramaswamy, I want to attend. Yeah.
नया साल कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के रूप में
Please pay ₹100
भारत में बनी वैक्सीन सुरक्षित और प्रभावी है और
to Google Pay. Hello.
Hello.
Who is that? Is Gautam? Who is speaking? Oh, Gautami. Oh, it is Gautami.
Yes, sir.
It is Gautami. I wrote Gautam. हमने सोचा Gautam. Gautami of Gujarat, na?
Yes, sir. It was scheduled at 4 o'clock, right, sir?
No, but our listen, Gautami. First and foremost thing required for success in life is patience.
All right, sir.
Perseverance.
Yes, sir.
Patience, perseverance, and what? Tolerance.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now I have called you very early. I know. You called me exactly at 4:05.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I noted it. I was with another candidate. So how can I reach you?
Okay, sir. I thought.
No. I won't. I won't sit idle even for 5 minutes. Okay.
Right, sir.
1 minute.
Sorry for that.
No problem. No.
But I thought that
no.
It might have you.
Let me tell you. I would like to.
Sir.
I am telling this not only for Gautami, for the sake of other children also. Many of them go on be calling at a time when I am online. I am there very much before them in the YouTube, whether they see it or not, and they go on be calling. And that impatience, I'm not affected. But the thing is, you must have a lot of patience because you will be called for interview at 9 o'clock. Your interview will be at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood, sir. I keep this in mind.
There were instances in the case of Indian Bank credit manager interview recently 2 months back, New Delhi. Candidate was called at 9 o'clock. Interview conducted at 6:25.
Oh, okay, sir.
She was very patient. She answered nicely. Now she is a credit manager or officer in Ahmedabad Indian Bank. Patience. Patience is the key for, of course, doesn't matter. Gautami, what is your educational qualification?
Sir, I've done my master's in business administration with dual majors in HR and marketing.
Oh, HR and marketing. Good. Good. After doing what degree?
I did my bachelor's in business administration with majors in marketing in 2014, and then I went on for my master's in 2014 itself.
Okay. Can you define marketing?
Sure, sir. Marketing is something.
Yeah, marketing is something. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Now only audible. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, marketing is a field wherein the companies always try to showcase their product in a very authentically and in a skillful way. Right, sir. In marketing, we do have different tools through which the marketers or the companies do showcase their products. Like we have 4 basic tools like product, place, promotion, and price. These are the three. These are the 4 basic tools through which the marketers always will showcase their product.
Good. That's okay. Can you tell me what are the nature of marketing? What are the various components of marketing? For example, marketing is a human activity.
Yes, sir.
What are the other points you would like to tell or define what a marketing is and what marketing involves? What are the different functions marketing involves?
Okay.
Were you aware I'll be asking questions in marketing or not?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. You can.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, different functions which marketing caters to are branding, advertising, communications, mass communication, and with that involved in the tools involved into these all categories are too variant. So I will just give few of the examples for the same. Like we also have sales, right? So sales, we have B2B marketing, B2C marketing, advertising, we do brand communication. Right? Then we have brand management, wherein always we consider the product portfolio and product management into it. So these are few of the arenas wherein marketing is not totally, but yes, it is involved.
Yeah, marketing involves the various functions like marketing research, advertisement, sales promotion, personal selling, product development, storing of material, distribution, pricing, publicity, sales planning, packaging, transportation, storage. इतना आता है.
Right, sir.
Then marketing involves the following modern branches of marketing. What is social marketing?
Social marketing is something which is web based. Today, nowadays, marketers have they are trying to cater the customers via various different streams, which are like social marketing. Like I can give you examples like Facebook. We have Instagram today. We have different web-based portals, their own websites,
Good.
where they advertise the products
That's
or
good.
their services.
Sufficient. Good. Can you define green marketing?
Sir, I'm not aware of it.
Green marketing is the marketing of productions that are presumed to be environmentally safe.
Okay, sir.
It incorporates a broad range of activities, including product modification, changes to the production process, sustainable packaging, as well as modifying and advertising. That is green marketing, like green banking, green marketing.
Okay, sir.
What is digital marketing? In what way is it different from there is social marketing?
Hello.
Tell me, what is digital marketing? Hello?
Yes, sir. Digital marketing is again, as I mentioned previously, digital marketing is one of the component of marketing which involves technology into it, like mobile marketing. We have, as I mentioned, different platforms are also there for marketing the product. Nowadays we can see this has become more well versed into app-based marketing as well.
Yeah, online marketing is digital only. Amazon, Flipkart.
Yes, sir.
Then Snapdeal, etc. Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me, only one last question for marketing. Some question has come here. What is 4 P's of marketing?
Sir, I mentioned earlier, but I'll like to repeat it again. It's product, price, place, and promotion.
Very good. But in interview,
yes, sir.
Gautami, you are not expected to tell. I told you already. I am repeating now.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir.
No, मेरा कोई तकलीफ नहीं. I am telling for your advantage.
Yes, sir. I'll keep this in mind.
Yeah, it can be in an office situation also where a boss asks the same question second time. You can't be telling boss, I have told you already. Why are you asking again? Can you ask?
No, sir.
No, you can't ask even your grandmother when she's asking the same question third time.
Yes, sir.
But we do ask.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, excellent. Product, price, place, promotion. Super. You told very nicely. Thank you so much. You are the first participant in marketing and Karnataka Bank.
Yes, sir.
I have come across. Maybe there are so many online, but मेरे पास आया हुआ candidates में इतने candidates आए थे, कम से कम 200 होगा. इसके अंदर में you are the first marketing candidate. Credit goes to you. Appreciations for that. Best wishes. Now,
thank you, sir.
We are entering into Karnataka Bank.
Yes, sir.
Which type of banking do you like? Advances or deposits?
Sir, deposits.
Good. Can you tell me what are the different types of deposits?
We have savings deposits. We have fixed deposits. We have recurring deposits.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference in interest rate between fixed deposit and a recurring deposit?
There is not much difference between
Not much,
both of them,
there is
sir.
no difference.
No difference at
Your
all.
answer should be no difference.
No difference, sir.
Now, did you go through Karnataka Bank's website? What is the interest
Yes,
rate they offer for 1 year to 2 years deposit?
sir. I don't know the exact rate of interest, but it ranges somewhere around 3 to 5.70%.
Maximum is 5.70. You have seen the first one 3.40, 7
Yeah,
days to 45 days. Last one 5.70. I asked in between 5.30.
5.30.
Why do
Okay.
banks pay more interest for longer periods, longer duration?
Maybe, sir, to retain the customers.
Okay. And also for the fact that they have belief and they are continuing to keep with us and they can use the fund for lending.
Right, sir.
They can use the fund for lending. Good.
Lending.
Yeah. Now, which bank do you have an account?
Sir, State Bank of India.
Oh, where is the headquarters of State Bank of India?
Mumbai.
Who is the chairman of State Bank of India?
Sir, Mr. Dinesh Kalra.
Dinesh Kumar Kharra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now,
Yes, sir.
I am not going to ask about State Bank. I am asking only about Karnataka Bank.
Yes, sir.
Karnataka Bank, what are the time deposits or term deposits they have?
Sir, Karnataka Bank offers 4 or 5 types of term deposits, but I couldn't recall all of them, sir. But two of them I know. One is the Abhyudaya cash certificate, and the second is Saulabhya deposit.
Hmm.
Abhyudaya deposit is a reinvestment scheme,
Hmm.
whereas Saulabhya deposit is flexi deposit scheme.
Good. You remember only these two. Good. There are other deposits
Yes.
like fixed deposit, tax planner, recurring deposit.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now I'm not asking that. Otherwise, I would have asked you difference between recurring deposit and fixed deposit. I'm not asking you. Now let me go into another area in banking. While for opening of an account, what are the documents we should give?
Okay. So while opening the account, uh, first of all, the bank do ask your identity proof,
Hmm.
your PAN card.
Hmm.
These are the two main things. And if the identity proof involve the identity proofs include, sir, your Aadhaar card, your election card,
Hmm.
your electricity bill also sometimes.
Hmm.
If the customer doesn't have any of the identity proofs which I mentioned earlier,
Hmm.
that's all, sir.
Yeah.
And if it is a paper based, then definitely they will ask a passport size photograph, two passport size photographs from you.
Okay. What is NPA?
Sir, NPA is non-performing assets.
Hmm.
When the bank lends a loan to a customer,
Hmm.
and if the customer is not able to repay the loan,
Hmm.
it is termed as non-performing assets.
Hmm.
Uh, Non-performing assets are categorized into four categories.
Hmm.
One is loss
No,
account, that is
no. NPAs are classified into three, but assets are broadly classified into four: standard, substandard,
substandard, substandard,
doubtful, and
loss
loss
account,
assets.
and doubtful.
Yeah, doubtful and loss assets. Good.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Now some question came here. What is that? Um, what? And we started with NPA.
Yes, sir.
How can we deal with NPA accounts? what are the various strategies we can follow in respect of NPA accounts? Should we leave them as it is, or should we take some steps for recovery? And if
Sir,
so,
definitely.
which steps of recovery is very quick?
Okay.
Which
So
strategy
definitely
is very quick for
steps,
recovering?
definitely steps should be taken to recover those loans, bad loans.
Hmm.
Uh, First of all, the bank has its own mechanism, that is like SURFACE Act.
Hmm. Good.
So
You are
that is one.
ah.
Second, sir, for faster recovery of loans,
Hmm.
a proper mechanism is to be maintained
Hmm.
so that there isn't any loopholes, or there is no way wherein a customer is having a way towards their escapism of not repaying the loan back. So bank should have a stringent mechanism for this.
Hmm.
And I guess Karnataka Bank is definitely have a strong mechanism when it comes to having follow up in NPA. As this year, Karnataka Bank's NPA has improved a lot. Earlier, it was 3.24%, which has reduced to 1.25%.
Good. Tell me something more about SURFACE Act. How to recover under SURFACE Act?
SURFACE Act, I can just tell you about a few lines about it. I am not much well versed about it.
Again,
SURFACE Act is,
hello. Listen.
yes, sir.
Whatever you know, only you are going to tell.
Yes, sir.
Why do you have to tell the interviewers, sir, I don't know? Why should you cry?
Yes, sir.
There is no need for us to tell that I don't know, but I am trying. That is okay among friends when you talk. But when you go for an interview, you tell what you know, whether it is correct or wrong, let them decide.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, first, now tell me, SURFACE Act kaise proceed karega? First of
Sir,
all,
SURFACE.
first of all, it comes only in respect of NPA accounts
Yes, sir.
where the dues have not been paid.
Right, sir.
We also presume that there is a security offered in terms of mortgage of some house property or land property.
Right, sir.
Now, then, how shall we proceed?
If the bank is already withholding a mortgage property and the customer is defaulting the loan, the bank can take over whatever assets or the mortgage property the customer has put forward with the bank. So this is how bank can recover the loan amount.
Actually, they have to issue a notice asking him to repay within 60 days. And after 60 days, also, if he is not repaying, it will be advertised in the newspapers. Some 2 newspapers, local newspapers also. And after advertising in the newspapers, after giving a reasonable period of time, today also some notices have come. Now, I don't know how many days time they give them, probably 3 weeks or 4 weeks they will be giving. See, here right now, this is Canara Bank. Canara Bank notice has given about mortgage of properties and date of inspection prior appointment 15/2 to 19/2, last date for deposit 23/2, and then date of tender when they will open, that must be available here. So they do give reasonable time and then advertise. Nowadays, since the loans are more, they give a list of properties like this. For example, Tirthani to Valasaravakkam, Madipakam, Madarapakam, then like that. Okay. So they give you one notice, and after that notice period is over, the property will be brought to sale. It is sold by auction. Nowadays, mostly it is done through e-auction. So After the recovery of the money, the loan will be adjusted, the balance will be paid to the borrower. Could you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. You told that. What is KBL Founders Day?
The KBL founder's name.
Founders Day.
Founders Day.
Ah,
It's 18th February.
good. Sufficient. My year is 24. Good, good. You told nicely. I was never expecting you are going to give me this answer. Good. Now, this is the first round of discussions we have had on this topic. Now, tell me why we should select, what is your name? Gautami.
Okay.
गौतमी का बाद में और क्या आता है? गौतमी something.
Savant, sir.
Savant. SAWANT.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of Savant?
I'm not aware about it.
Not aware. What is the meaning of the name Gautami?
Sir, Gautami was the name of a queen, and moreover, the meaning is remover of darkness.
Excellent. Will you remove darkness?
Sir, I feel my personality is such that it is already the environment gets enlightened when I come around.
Yeah, YouTube is also bright now. Excellent. Now tell me, what was the question I was asking? Why we should select you?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a 3 years of experience, work experience. I was working with SBI Life Insurance as a business development manager.
You never told me this. First itself, I never asked introduction. That is true.
Yes, sir.
You should try to utilize every opportunity to tell this in an introduction, whether they ask or not. Somewhere you should tell this so that you are considered as a marketing man.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. You have already served in LIC what? Sorry, SBI what?
SBI Life Insurance.
Oh, good.
For like 3 years as business development manager. And I was working into bancassurance domain.
Oh, super.
So
yeah,
I have already have this experience of interacting with the customers, solving their problems, maintaining good relations with the customers, bringing new customers to the bank for, be it cross-selling or be it other banking products. So I guess these all qualities or these all skills of mine might help more as will give more contribution to Karnataka Bank if they select me.
If I am selected.
If I'm selected.
Yeah, that's yes, good. That's good. I'm selected. Yeah. Good. Excellent. Now, what was I? Yeah, my question was, what was the pay package in LIC life insurance? Do they pay very less as compared to banks?
No, sir. My pay package was comparatively much better.
Than bank clerk or bank officers? Hello?
Sir, we can say bank clerk or officer both.
Both in between?
Yes, sir.
In between?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Then why did you resign?
Sir, banking was something which always I had interest into, and I always wanted to then, because I had served into bank as a business development manager into bancassurance domain, so I used to see bankers working around me, and especially the branch managers. They have this kind of responsibility and authority with them, and they have they are also being seen with great respect. So this is what something I was longing for, and that is why I thought of moving ahead.
You could have continued. You could have continued working and preparing for this.
Sir, I recently resigned in the month of Feb last year.
True, but even then, the answer for this should be
Yes, sir.
that while working in LIC, sorry, SBI insurance, the time
Yes,
available for me for preparation for
was
bank
very less.
examinations was not sufficient. I had to
Right,
work
right,
for
right.
minimum 8 to 9 hours work, and after that, I was not able to concentrate on preparation. And I thought it is wise to resign and prepare separately.
Yes, sir.
But I think you wrote this Karnataka Bank examination while working in SBI insurance.
No, sir. I resigned. As soon as I resigned, my exams were due.
Yeah, yeah. That was in February.
Yes, sir. In the month of February only.
Yes, very nice. Best wishes. You have any
Thank you, sir.
questions?
Sir, how was my performance and where I need to improve on?
Yeah, wait a minute, wait a minute. Those who are watching, kindly mark your likes for the session. Good. Now I have some marks in my mind. I have some 2, 3 people who are watching also. One is Krishna, are you there? Ashrita, are you there? Please give marks. We can put an average of that. Yeah, yeah. Ashrita, what is your rating for this candidate? Rahul, yeah, already liked. Sri Krishna, what is the rating you will give for this candidate? Gautami, now only you are telling you were in SBI insurance. Are Baba, that would have brought you more credit, earlier. Yeah, good. What about others? Very good. Next, one more mark I want. Anybody? Anybody online give me. Yeah, I have something like 8.5 to 9 in my mind, but here I get different scores. Like one gives 7, one gives 7.5, another gives 8, and all that. So I have 8. My score is higher than, yeah, more than what these people have given. But when it comes to marketing, I think you have not prepared fully.
Okay, sir.
If
I
you if you want for quick preparation, you can go for this Upkar marketing knowledge book. Are you aware of that?
Upkar, sir.
Upkar.
No, sir, I wasn't aware, but
Acha.
I'll look into it.
Yeah, it is one containing some descriptive, mostly objective, costs 99 rupees only.
Okay, sir.
Please get. I was just asking you only from here. I was keeping this book before me and questioning you. If only you had answered more, I would have asked you more questions. Thank you so much. You did not do badly. You can do still better. And regarding Karnataka Bank, I'm not sure whether you are prepared fully. And again, let me assure you, I'm not
Yes,
sure
sir.
whether they are going to ask from that, but we should be prepared.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Ah, very good. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Best wishes.
Thank
Gautami.
you, sir.
Gautami, your interview is on. Uh,
26, sir.
oh, Baba, early, early.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Because Bangalore girl, they are asking only 1st March, but they are calling you so early, 26 too. It's okay,
Yes, sir.
nice, 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 no problem. You did well.
Sir,
Yeah,
I'm from Gujarat.
I know, I know. That's why I'm
Sir,
telling.
I
Why should they call from Gujarat early and Bangalore later on? Just joking. Nothing,
okay.
nothing serious in whatever I was telling.
Sir, I would also like to ask you if I want to again go through a mock interview, I have to repeat the same process, right?
Same process again, 100 rupees in email and wait for it. Today I have received 100 emails. I could see only 30 of them. 70 are still pending. I have to do it. So there may be some delays. But after remitting, kindly message me or tell me the date beforehand. I will reserve one. Like that, we can manage.
Sure, sir. Sure. We'll do that.
Yeah. If you have 26th is your date, so you can have something around 22nd, 21st, or
Okay, sir.
that will be better. You don't require the third one. Second will do for you.
Okay, sir.
You think over. You study. You think over. You watch the videos of other candidates. That will certainly help you.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, let's book the another schedule for mock interview, sir. I would like to book it right away.
Which date you want?
Maybe 20th would be better, sir. 20th or 21st?
20th. Okay, done. 20th. What time? Say around 3 o'clock.
Fine, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am booking for um, 3 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Gautami, Gujarat. I will note your number also. No problem. That way, because many times I forget to note the numbers, and that causes difficulties. And I will just put to pay, and you just pay, and I will cut it out. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Thank
We'll do
you.
that. Sir, before that, moreover, sir, what current affairs should I
Current
prepare?
affairs, something really from today or from 15th at least. Sorry, from today you read a newspaper. That will do. If any interview is going to take place today or tomorrow, they will ask
Yes, sir.
about this Uttarakhand, that floods.
Okay.
Likewise, so you go through that. They will ask you, are you reading newspapers, and
Right.
are you remembering them? That's all. Also go through
Okay.
budget also. I have not asked about budget. Please go through budget.
Sure, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Best wishes. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, sir. Bye.
बहुत समय हो गया. Good. Now next is Sachidanandam. I think all KBL over for the day. Yeah. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Now it is 5:15 only. Somebody wants slowly recovering. Good. Raghav, what happened? Oh, Raghav, you're not feeling well. God bless. I wish you should be all right. What happened to the some IBPS something PO? Did you clear that or not? I know that would have affected your feelings. Yeah. Is there any participant here who has paid money and he is desirous of taking a mock right now? Please raise your hands. Oh, PO written mains. Oh, good. You didn't tell us. We were thinking you are not cleared that. Good. Very happy, Raghav. Yeah. They can ask from budget, but I have not read the budget fully. That is why I never asked. Yeah. Anybody else willing to take a? Oh, very good. Songam Satsang. Can you? Before that, some call has come. I don't know what it is. Wait. Hello.
Hello, sir. Myself is Priya from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Can I have a mock interview with you, sir?
You are appearing for which in this interview?
SBI CBO, sir.
SBI CBO.
Yes.
You have already written to me, na?
No, sir. I have called you, but you didn't pick. This is the first time I'm talking to you.
Acha, Priya.
Yes.
Yeah. You are supposed to pay 100 rupees through Google Pay.
Okay, sir.
Note the number 90030
90030
37
37
557.
557. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, correct. 557, correct.
Okay,
And
sir.
okay, now right now here is a voice of Karnataka Bank sitting on YouTube line. Doesn't matter. If you are willing, we can go ahead. And you pay the money afterwards. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Priya madam. What happened?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Were you not aware I am charging?
No. Money. I'll just give it to you, sir. But the mock interview.
You want it?
I think,
You want it offline?
not offline. Online is still fine, sir. But I need some time. I think.
Achha, you want some time. When do you want to come? Maybe I can book you for tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow evening is fine, sir.
Fine.
At what time, sir?
Tomorrow evening means after 6:30 and all that. Or no. Tomorrow, are you available during daytime?
Yes, sir. I'm available.
First class, I can give you time as 1 o'clock.
Okay, 1 o'clock is fine, sir.
The time is vacant here. I can give you that. And please remit money only and inform me.
Okay, sir. I'll remit money and I'll
to pay. I'm just putting to pay. You will remit money and then confirm. That's all. Or when I talk to you, I will know whether you are paid and all that. Thank you. You send the screenshot. That will be fine.
To the same number?
No, not to this number. You send it through email. Samba.s1. That's available in YouTube.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because have you collected some of the materials that I have given to candidates?
No, sir.
I am not sure whether it will be. You please send an email, or what is your email? Tell me. I will send you immediately. Okay. Wait a minute for 5 minutes.
Sure. Shall I tell you my email ID?
1 minute. But is it okay for you to tell over the phone, over the online, or one thing? I will cut the phone and ask. Yeah. Tell me. I am asking in confidence, because I don't want unnecessarily to be known to others. Tell me. அப்புறம் என்ன வரும் நெக்ஸ்ட் T for temple. Okay. Very good. No problem. Abhi bhej raha hu. And you are from which place? எந்த ஊரு? ஐயோ எங்க ஊரு. நான் இருந்த ஊரு. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அதுவும் அந்த சாரதி கஃபேல போய் காஃபி சாப்பிடணும். ஓஹோ, நான் அங்க சொல்லலம்மா, நான் வந்து டவுன்ல சொல்றேன். ஏதாவது இந்த அருணாச்சலம் ஸ்ட்ரீட் பக்கத்துல. ஓகே, ஐ வில் சென்டிங் யூ. தேங்க் யூ. பை. Thank you. Yes. Very good, boys and girls. Thank you so much. Tamil talkies. Okay, sir. I want to attend mock interview, sir. How can I attend? Sanjeet Kumar. You can attend. Only thing is you have to pay 100 rupees. If you want to attend now, you come straight away. I will, because I am free only. Others are all SBI. You want to take Sanjeet? You want to attend now? Sanjeet. Sanjeet, yeah, you play 100 rupees afterwards to Google Pay. Hello, I'm giving you Sanjeet. Google Pay. What is that? Number 90030375557, and you pay me afterwards. You take the interview. Call this number. I'll be with you for some time. Come on, quick. Yeah. Sanjeet Kumar. Right now, Raghav, I am not having time for talking to others, because the need for interview demand is very high, quite high. such that I have removed 1 hour class also. And there is no time. There is no fun in my taking the class without involvement. Nothing. So Sanjit Kumar is coming. Yes or no? Not coming. Anybody is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm sorry. He's not. Yeah. Now then what I can do? Sonam Satsan. Okay. You please do. You please call 8072177482. Sonam Satsang. Yes. Pesalam Madayan. Which document is required in Karnataka Bank interview? Please watch my video. Also go through that. Also go through.
Battery low. Please charge now.
Also go through the letter received from Karnataka Bank. Hello.
Hello, sir. This is Songam.
Sonam Satsang. Songam Satsang. Have I allotted some time for you already? Which date is that?
Today, sir. Evening.
Today evening. Okay, nice. Good. Songam Satsang. Welcome. Good evening.
Thank you, sir.
You are working in which bank now?
Sir, I'm working in a foreign bank, Citibank, sir, in Chennai.
Citibank. Very good. Since when are you working in banking service?
So I've been working in the banking service since 2017. It's been 3 years.
Last 3 years. Last 3 years you have been working in banking.
Yes, sir.
After which graduation did you join this banking service?
So I've done my graduation in 2016 and joined in banking in 2017 November, sir.
Graduation in which subject?
I did my graduation in arts, political science, sir. Different subject.
Very interesting. Political science.
Yes, sir.
From which college or university?
I did my college graduation in Madras Christian College.
Oh, good, good, good. So now tell me about the present political science situation in our country where votes are being bought. Do you get what I'm telling you now?
I didn't get the last part.
No, I'm telling you that nowadays elections have become more based on the money they pay to the voters, and people are being corrupted. So what is the solution for this? Did the makers of constitution ever thought of such a situation? And what is your idea regarding this? I don't know what is the position in other states, but as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, it is very well seen that it is only money that plays role in this, and voters have also started expecting, and they expect much more than what they were getting earlier. So what is the solution for this?
Yes, first off, sir, the situation is similar in every state, even in Northeast, South Indian states and North as well. So there's a lot of, to my understanding, a lot of politicizing, like in terms of corruption, using money, they are trying to gain votes. The solution will be mostly like educating the voters,
Good.
choosing their right leaders. The kind of education will bring some solution.
Very good.
This is one way, to my understanding.
Excellent. What is your mother tongue?
Sir, my mother tongue is Manipuri.
Oh, Manipuri means you are a boy from Manipur.
Yes, sir.
Very good. I think English is the medium of language that place, correct?
Yes, majority 80%.
80% speak only English there. Good. Excellent. Now you are with Citibank in which capacity?
Sir, I've been working in Citibank as phone banking officer for 2 years and 8 months.
Good.
So
good.
as a sales and service specialist.
Very good. So you are working as a phone banking officer. So what is the nature of calls you attend to? Will you be answering the balances in the accounts, or what type of queries will you be solving?
Yes, in my position, we have services for credit card, for loans, for insurance, and like internet banking, their KYC updation. So all these queries are some of the services that I provide on call.
Oh, good, excellent. Very good. Can you tell me what are the ways for complying with KYC requirements?
Yes, for KYC, it's one of the most important documents for banks as to comply with RBI. So here we need identification, address in order to monitor, assess customers' position in financial, as well as in order to avoid terrorist financing and all. So this is very important to my understanding to comply with KYC.
What is your name?
My name is Songam.
Songam, the answer you gave is not wrong, but it was not direct. The direct answer expected was for complying with the KYC requirements, the applicant has to produce the Aadhaar card or Aadhaar card and PAN card, and otherwise some other address proof like driving license, etc.
Yes, sir.
He should give
Correct.
the original and also give a copy of that for our records. That way of answering may be straight. Could you understand? I know you people who are talking over phone, you are all very keen about making the conversation very brief. Correct?
Yes, sir. I understand. Yes, sir.
KYC, that is the norm. You kindly remember that in the future questions. Now,
definitely, sir.
What do you know about, what are the deposits your Citibank offers? What are the deposit schemes which are offered by, say, Citibank, which is applicable for common men? I'm not talking about the big accounts. Do common men have a place in Citibank? And if so, which type of accounts are suitable for them?
Yes, sir. Citibank, the account maintenance is mostly the average balance is high, but we have a savings account, deposit, saving deposits, recurring deposits, and this fixed deposit.
Say savings bank minimum balance prescribed is how much?
We have monthly maintenance is 2 lakhs.
Oh, Baba, 2 lakh rupiah. Too high. Very good. Excellent. What is the minimum fixed deposit you will take?
Minimum fixed, you mean, sir, in monthly?
No, fixed deposit means not monthly, one time. You don't know?
Yeah.
Maybe it is 10,000 or so, 10,000 or 50,000, I'm not sure. Okay. In respect of RD, how much is the minimum?
Yes, sir.
You know, what is the minimum they prescribe for Citibank RD account? In other banks, it is 50 rupees. In Indian bank.
In Citibank, it is 1,000, sir.
Oh, 1,000. Good. Like that, you must be able to give a definite answer. Good. Can you tell me what is a Citibank credit card? In what way is it better?
Yes, sir. To my understanding, and I've been using Citibank credit card. It's very important in case if a person, the user is well versed in financial knowledge. So first thing is like you can bought some utensil usage, like any requirement in advance, and you can pay it later the very next month. That is also one thing, advantage credit card. And other things you can also pay in EMIs in case if you're not able to make payment in one go for huge purchases, huge amount. So that is second benefit.
In which case you will charge huge interest, na?
Yes, there's 42% annual interest.
How much? 42?
42% with GST, 18%. Sir.
Arey Baba, very much more. Anyhow, yeah, you are very frank in telling it. That's a rate, of course. It's known, everybody. Other banks, I think we charge 36%. Anyhow, thank you.
I think.
You told about Citibank credit card. So tell me about the difference between your credit card and a debit card.
Yes, debit card is something that account balance maintained by customer, which is customer's money. Whereas credit card is for the it's like a loan, lending money to the customer on a particular set of amount, particular credit limit. So that's big difference. That is one major difference.
Okay, how did you prepare for this State Bank of India CBO?
Yes, for this CPO, sir, I used to prepare like before even started working for a few months for a few courses, coaching I've taken.
Good.
And in between, I've just gone through the general knowledge of banking and appearing while I'm working.
Very good. Can you tell me who is the chairman of IRDAI?
Which
IRDAI chairman.
IRDAI? I don't know, sir.
Subhash Chandra Kuntia. Subhash Chandra Kuntia. Okay. Who is the chairman of our State Bank of India?
Sir, State Bank chairman is Dinesh Kumar Khara, sir.
Very good. How many bank branches are there in State Bank of India?
So that one, I don't know. To my knowledge, it's more than 16,000.
24,000. Why did you not go through? Are you having my materials I have given or not?
So I'm having, but I haven't gone through it.
You have not gone through that. Yeah, you have to go through that. You don't have to go through any other new material except the what is that annual budget or some report they have given. I have attached it in the link itself. Please go through that.
Okay, sir, I'll go through.
Yeah, very good. Can you tell me something about the gold loan scheme?
Gold loan scheme, sir,
you can't answer, no problem.
No idea.
No problem. Can you please tell me about senior citizen deposit scheme? You don't know?
My knowledge.
You don't know? Okay. Next question. Can you tell me what is APY? APY.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. APY.
Sir,
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Very low. Please charge now.
1 minute. Hello, 1 minute. Hold on.
Sure.
1 minute. Hold on. Yeah. Now tell me what is APY?
So APY, I haven't come across.
Atal Pension Yojana.
The pension yojana, APY.
Yeah. Atal Pension Yojana. Have you not heard about it?
I heard about pension yojana, but was not well versed.
You are not well versed about it.
Yes.
Atal Pension Yojana. This is the scheme brought by the government for unorganized people to pay money till they attain age of 60, and thereafter they will be getting pension from their 60th year.
Okay, 60 years and above.
So you don't know about this. Why have you not gone through the website of State Bank of India?
Sir, I have to go through again.
Yeah.
I just started with the...
Yeah, now general questions if I ask, I think I don't think you will be able to answer because many of them involve something related to State Bank and all that. Tell me why a bank is giving lockers to customers.
I think to my knowledge, it's for the safety of for the customer citizens.
Yeah. Plus, what is the advantage for the bank?
So bank can utilize that funds as well for lending
No,
and
no,
increase
no.
their business.
No. See, it is for getting the income in, that is rental charges. Hello,
Okay.
are you aware of the rental charges banks collect from those who take lockers? By Citibank, you don't have lockers.
So that one I have no knowledge.
You have, it is there. It is there in Citibank. Perhaps you don't have knowledge about that one. No problem. Good. It is for getting income. Similarly, banks are canvassing insurance policies because they get a commission. Do you know?
Commission.
Yeah, very good. Then, did you study for JAIIB?
GA, no, sir, I didn't study.
Why did you not study? You were in a very safe place, only fixed number of hours of work. After that, you are free. Why were you not able to study? Is not the hours of work fixed because somebody will come and relieve you immediately? Yes or no?
It's kind of fixed, but still we work like beyond the fixed
Really?
shift. We
Really?
have some flexible working hours.
Because your colleagues are not cooperating, or the number of people taken in or less, something like that. What is the hours of work for you normally?
Normally it is 8 hours plus 1 hour breaks.
8 hours. Acha.
Yes.
You work for night shift. I mean, only daytime, no?
Yes, we have daytime, sir.
Three
9
shift.
to 6.
9 to 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
9 to 6 and 1 hour break in between. Good. That's nice. And yeah, 8 hours. Talking for 7 hours over phone is really bad. And I am feeling it now, when I talk for longer number of hours. That's true. I appreciate you. Now, do you have any questions to me? I have no points against you except that they can find a point that you are not directly related to banking except you were answering phone calls. But this itself can be made positive by you provided you answer the queries pada pada pat. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. And
So, do you have any questions in your mind now? Your English communication is very good. Confidence level is excellent. But knowledge wise, it is slightly lesser. Correct?
thank you, sir. Questions regarding this banking. So in this 11 hours, my interview is on 14, just 2 days away.
You can study.
Like,
Are you going to take leave for 2 days?
yes, I have taken a leave for 2 days.
Yeah, then you read. I have given a book to you known as ADDA Banking Awareness. One ADDA Banking Awareness, it is there in the materials given to you.
Okay, I'll go through, sir. And one question, sir, during the interview, I believe there will be some scenario-based questions where
They can,
yes,
scenario-based questions they can ask, provided you have worked in that scenario, but you have worked only in banking, telephonic atmosphere. So even then, some questions relating to your own telephone working and correlating to deposit and advances can be asked. Scenario based means I'm sure you cannot answer, like, say, suppose a drunkard comes to your office, what you will do. Then a husband and wife comes and says, don't allow him to withdraw, what you will do. These are practical based questions which one may face only when he is working in the practical spot. Very rarely they ask. But of course, they will ask only for people who are exposed to that. They will not disturb you with that. Okay.
Okay, and last thing, sir. Actually, I got promoted to this escalation officer. Now I'm not working in phone banking, but I'm working in this escalation services where they were not able to resolve in phone by the phone bankers. So mostly I'll be working in like back end.
You tell that. You tell that you are working in advanced deposit section, you are working in NEFT section, you are working in RTGS section, you are working in FD issuing or demand draft issuing. Say something like that that may bring you slightly better points than when you say I am working as a telephone operator. Your question, as a telephone operator, am I not eligible? The answer is yes and also no. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just because you are working as inside a bank as a telephone operator, you are not in any way directly connected with the practical operation banking.
Yes,
Correct? The
sir, correct.
only
No,
name board
directly
is
related to bank.
name board is bank. What you are doing is telephone. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So it depends on how they are going to treat you or perceive you. It depends on their decision. I wish you a favorable decision favor because your communication is excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you. Bye.
So one last thing.
Yeah.
Can you give me some feedback where I have to work on? And
I have already told you, you don't know banking, you don't know state bank. So please prepare on these things first. I have told you very clearly. समझ गया?
okay, so I'll.
You have to prepare on that. I hope you already sent the receipt to me. That
Yes, I've already sent
very
yesterday.
good. Thank you. Best wishes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Best wishes. Yeah, I written your name first. So gone. I'll cut it now. Thank you. Best wishes.
Okay, so thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah, I'll close this and go for. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Somebody wanted to ask, and he was hesitating before that. Vanam Rakesh, I have already posted a video to you on this. What is this? IBPS RRBPO videos. Please wait. I will give you some links. I will give you some links. Are you there online? Vanam Rakesh, are you there? Yes or no? Vanam Rakesh, are you there online? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you.